Today, I will show you how to earn $100 within 30 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. $100 within 30 minutes by completing simple tasks on a website. If you've ever think of making money online, this is a super simple and legit way of making that your dream come true. No complicated skills needed, no scam, just real website paying people daily. So, I will encourage you to watch to the end because in the end, I will share a bonus website that will increase your earnings. So, first in the list is user testing. This website pays you for testing website and apps because companies need user feedback on their services, and so they are ready to pay you $10 per test you perform. Therefore, if you can complete 10 tests within 30 minutes, you just hit your $100 target within 30 minutes. Next in the list is rev.com. This website is perfect for those who are good at typing. And so, all you need to do is to sign up and start testing and start earning at the same time. Rev pays you 30 cents to $1 per transcription service. Your tasks includes audio transcription, video captioning and subtitling. If you can type fast, you can earn up to $100 within 1 hour. Just sign up, pass a transcription test, and then start earning right away. Another great website is 5hour.com. 5hour.com is a freelance website where you can offer simple services like logo design, writing, and video editing. Beginners can also make money on 5hour by offering simple service like removing backgrounds from photos or writing product descriptions, and you can charge $20 to $50 per gig. In that case, you only need 2 to 5 gigs to hit $100 target. And here comes the bonus website, and that is impact.com. Impact connects you with big brands that pays commission for referrals. It doesn't take much. All you need to do is to sign up and start sharing your referral links on social medias, on blogs, and on YouTube, and start making money right away. Commissions on these platforms are between $50 to $100 per sales, and that means you need just 1 or 2 referrals to clinch your $100 targets. And there you have it, legit website to start making $100 within 30 minutes. And so, pick one that suits your skills and start making money right away. Which of these will you start with? Let's hear in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon for more money making tips. And I will see you in the next video. Cheers.